Today we're going to do a review and show you how to put together a Chapin Pro Series backpack sprayer. I use this for the herbicide and spray all my weeds and stuff around the house. Could also be used for pesticides, fertilizers. I have one, love it, and so I got another one to help spray baseball fields at our youth sports area. So unpacking the box, you have the main sprayer, which comes with the straps already on there, as well as the hose already screwed on, and then you have your spray nozzle, you have your tube with the sprayer nozzle on the end. It also comes with, you can change it to a different one. The red one is like a fan sprayer. These are parts and pieces that help put it together. We have our cap and then our hand pump parts and pieces, as well as the instructions. So we're going to go through and put this thing together and show you how it works. Alright, so the first step is to put the pump handle on. The pump handle is this piece right here. Obviously it has the handle on top. It's like a big L. So the first thing we're going to do is rotate this and put it on its side. So with it on its side, you can see this little channel here. So we put the pump handle rather, through here, and it goes into this area. And then you see that little circle there, this little circle. And so we're going to take this little clip that was in that little bag and we pop it right in here. So just line it up, give it a push, and it's locked in. Now it's not going to go anywhere. So our second step, we're going to set it back up. So the next part is the arm linkage, which is the extra piece that has the little ball thing on the end, and it has this guy here. Now this rotates through this hole over here. So we're going to put a washer on one side, and then you put it through this hole down here. Put the other washer on, and put the cotter pin through there, and then you just take it and bend it each way, so that it doesn't come off and that easily moves back and forth. So now we need to put the piece in this top part. So you rotate this guy up and it's going to go right into this thing. Now you'll notice it's a little too high. So if you're on the edge of a table, take it to the edge, just lower it down, and then tighten up this nut. Just kind of let it fall. And then once you got that tightened pretty much all the way, when you grab your hand pump, see it brings it up, it brings it down. One little thing, if you bring it up, it'll click on that little plastic part right there. The last part we got to put on now is our wand. So you just grab your handle, set that on top, and just tighten it on. And then once you get it close to tight, you want to spin it around so that your nozzle is facing wherever you want it. So once you get your nozzle in place, you kind of hold it and just tighten that nut the rest of the way. Now if you want to change the tip on the end, all you got to do there is unscrew this, and this guy goes in here, and you put this nut back in. You kind of pop out this piece, just give it a smack and it'll come out, and then you put that on there. Me, I'm going to keep this one on here. I don't need the red one. So I'm going to tighten that back. Now with that there, to fill it, put your chemicals or whatever you're doing in here. A lot of times I'll use the natural stuff, which is just some Dawn, some Epsom salt, and water mixture. Put in there if it's a really stubborn area or spot that I really need to do. I'll get some Roundup, or go Tractor Supply, get the good stuff. So you put that in there, fill it with your water, screw on your red cap. For demonstration purposes, I already have one over here. It's my other one. It's filled up. So I'm going to take it over here where I got some weeds. Now I'm not going to put it on because that'll be hard to see. Put it on, one strap, and then the strap on the other side, and then you can tighten it up with a little thing here. And once it's on there, it actually feels pretty good. It's not bad. Some reviews complain that this cuts into them. I haven't had that issue, at least not yet. And so to get it to work, you grab your wand. So as you're holding, now when you put it on the first time, keep this handle down when you're putting it on, because after it's up, you know, unless you can do some acrobatics, you're gonna have a hard time getting it, reaching back and getting it. So I'm just gonna give it a couple pumps here. So you feel that pressure kind of building up. All right, and then you take your sprayer, and all you gotta do is pull down. It does have a lock on here. If you ever want to lock it, you just click that up and it clicks in there. This one's not locked, so you just give it a spray and it's spraying out. Then once you're done, if you want to relieve the pressure, unscrew this guy and you're all done. So that is a quick review on the Chapin Pro Series backpack sprayer. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and hit subscribe.